Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for people who are new here, this is Nidhi Ganesh. Okay, so the festive season is quite near and it's not even safe now to go out to the parlors and do facial or anything, but for me it is always my personal choice to select DIY over anything else. So here I am today with a simple DIY with ingredients which are very easily available in everybody's kitchen. So this is a DIY facial which includes basic 3 steps which we are gonna do and prep our skin for the festivals. So without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the video and start the facial. First, I would just put my hair back. Okay, so let's quickly start the first step, and the first step is cleansing, that is properly cleaning your skin. So for that I'm gonna take some raw milk. I hope you can see. Okay, you cannot see, but I'm having some raw milk here. So one cotton pad, I'm gonna dip this into raw milk and we will start applying it on our face. This is so calm. It cleans your face. I have done this before, so I know that it cleans your face and is also very calm for your skin. If you have dry skin, then you can add few drops of honey into this. As I've already said in my previous video, honey is great for is great for your skin because of its antibacterial properties. Okay, so this feels great. You can apply it like weekly once. Obviously you cannot apply it daily because no one is having that much of time to do DIYs daily, but you can apply it once in a week. It feels great to your skin and also removes the dirt. I can already feel the toxins coming out of my skin. I'm done with my cleaning. This cotton pad has really changed its color. I don't know if it is seen in the camera, but I can see it. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep it for like 10 to 15 minutes to let my skin just soak in, and then I'm gonna remove it with normal water. It's been 10 minutes since I had just let that milk on my skin. Now I'm gonna remove it with normal water and cotton pad. I've washed my face, now I'm just gonna dry it. To be honest, my skin feels so clean now. Like, I can see the visible difference by just cleaning it with milk. Okay, so let's quickly do our second step, that is scrubbing our face. So for scrubbing, we'll be taking half teaspoon of coconut oil. We are gonna add 1 spoonful of coffee into the coconut oil and 1 spoonful of sugar, the sugar which is available in your house, and we're gonna mix it. For people whose skin is quite sensitive, because sugar can be little harsh to the skin, so if your skin is too sensitive, you can just grind the sugar in the blender once, and then you can use that powdered sugar for your scrubbing. So I'm going to properly mix it, and you can see the consistency. Okay, now we are going to start scrubbing our face. I have nothing on my face. I've just cleaned it, taking little and start scrubbing. Sugar is great for scrubbing. It removes the dead skin. It is a very natural scrub. Do it with very light hand. Don't be very harsh because sugar granules can be very harsh to your skin. I'm gonna scrub my face for like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna just wash it off with normal water. So I have scrubbed my face and I've washed it. Now I'm gonna just dry it again. My skin feels extremely soft now. Okay, so talking about this scrub, you can do it weekly once. And now let's come to our third and the most step, which is masking your face. Today the mask which I'm gonna make is a coffee mask. First we'll be requiring 2 spoons full of coffee. Then 1 spoonful of wheat flour, which is very easily available in everybody's house. Ghar ka aata, normal aata. 1 spoonful of wheat flour. Then 2 spoons of curd. Now I am using ghar ka jamaya hua curd. You can use the one which is available in the market, but obviously don't go in for flavored curd, just normal curd. So we'll be taking 2 spoons of curd. Next ingredient would be 1 spoonful of rose water. So I've added all the ingredients. Now we're gonna just mix it. Okay, so I hope you can see the consistency of my mask. Okay, so that's the consistency and that's how it looks. Smells great, but we have to apply it on our face. So again, I'm using an applicator brush. We are going to start applying. Applying it on the neck, very important. Okay, so I have properly applied it on my face, on my neck, and I'm gonna keep it for good 15 minutes and then I'll wash it off with normal water. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes since I've applied the mask. I know you should not talk when you apply your mask, but just because I wanted to say you and show you that it's all dried up, and I'm just gonna wash it now and come back. Washed my face, I've pat dried it, and I can see a visible change on my face after the 3 easy steps of facial. Now the facial is over. As I said, it has only 3 very simple steps with basic ingredients, but I thought when we are pampering our skin so much, we always forget to pamper our lips. So today I'm gonna do a very small DIY lip scrub, which was not a part of my facial, but I want to include this because it's very important to even take care of your lips, because we apply a lot of lipsticks throughout the week. So just once a week we can do this for our lips. Okay, so let's quickly make the lip scrub. First I'm taking a half spoon of honey, and to this I'm gonna add again half spoon of sugar. I'm using the same sugar. You can again powder the sugar and use it, but I have no issues, so I'm using it. I'm gonna mix it so you can see the consistency, and now I'm gonna apply it and scrub my lips. I'm gonna keep doing this for 5 minutes. Honey will make my skin extremely soft, and as I've already said, sugar is a natural scrub. Now I'm gonna just remove it with normal water. What I'm gonna do is take some water, dip the cotton pad and just start removing it. My lips feel so soft and is also very clean and clear now. Okay, so since scrubbing could be little harsh to your lips, you can apply a good moisturizer. So moisturize your skin. I'm using the one which I bought from Nykaa. Okay, I am done. Since we did a lot to our face, it's also very important to moisturize your face. I'm just going to use this Nivea cream which is available in any store. Taking a little bit and just moisturizing it. So you can use any of your favorite moisturizer and moisturize your lips, your skin. And I am done with my facial for this festive season. So festive season is just round the corner, so quickly go do your DIY facial and let me know how it has worked for you. I know it's gonna work great because I can see a very visible change on my face, on my lips. So do try it. And also, even if it's not a festival season, you can weekly at least take some time out to do these small DIY tips and tricks which is gonna work wonders for your skin. And okay, so I think that's it for today's video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit that bell icon. I will soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.